Right, a quick update on the car. Adding another modification, but right now we've got the Riga front splitter, the black rails, and we've also got that blue thing in there, which pops quite well when it's quite sunny. That's how it looks from the front. We've got the M4 wingtip style mirrors, and we've also got the gloss black roof. Got the black wheels as standard, and now we've got a rear diffuser that we put in ages ago. To be fair, had a little accident with our car, so someone came into the back of it. It's a bit scratched up, need to get the parking sensor fixed. But right now we're gonna add an M4 style Bootlid spoiler, so hopefully that looks good, and if it looks good we'll keep it, if not probably send it back. Right, I've not stuck it on yet with the 3M tape, but that's how it looks. Side view. Right, M4 style Bootlid has been attached. Let me know what you guys think of it, but this is the side view. Sticking out, ignore the missing parking sensor. Got kids behind me playing as well, so apologies for the audio. This is it from the other side view. Let's go in a bit more. Do you think that looks quite nice? Yeah, that's another mod to the car. Hopefully it looks nice. Let me know in the comments below if I should get anything else. Managed to fix the hole. As you can see, it's got a lot of scuffs, but you never know, I think with a clean it might work. So we've got the rear diffuser, got a M4 style Bootlid, standard back wheels obviously came in the car. We've got the roof wrapped in gloss black, M4 style wingtip mirrors. We've got the black kidney grille and the V-brace wrap, which is blue, and we've got the Riga front splitter. So yeah, that's the car. An update to the mods video that I've done. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I want to get the virtual cockpit in and the M4 style, I think it's the M4 style rear brake lights, but they cost around 500 and 1,000 each. So yeah, that's a lot of money to be paying for that, but other than that I'm quite happy with how the car's turned out. It looks really nice.